you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man?
Hello, sir. How are you?
I can't complain. How you feeling, man?
Good, man.
Yeah, man. You got looking real nice in here.
You know him? I know him. I know BASSWITHKEV. I follow him.
Yeah. What's up, man? They got that boot over there looking good over there.
Day long, you take me places and to these you for to make it.
Oh, that put the deck.
Got my rough around your
I got two JBF 4.0 18s, Ruthless 10K per 18, wired at half an ohm, Crossfire XT Pros all the way around, and the Kenwood Exelon DMX 706.
Yeah, so you did all the work yourself?
I have somebody who helped me build the wall and stuff, but as far as the install goes, I've done everything.
Yeah, sir. Man, you said 10K per sub, right?
10K per sub, wired at half an ohm.
I was trying to make sure I heard you right.
Yeah. I like to make sure I have a little bit of headroom on everything.
Yeah, that's the way you do it.
Yeah. Oh, hell
Yeah,
yeah, man.
yeah, man. That's crazy, man. 10K per sub.
Yeah.
That's the best way to do it, though, really.
Yeah, I mean, why not, right? I mean, they're 4-inch coils, and I got a lot of rise, I think. I don't know,
But you know, like if you buy more, you don't have to keep going back and buying over and over. You know, it's the thing about it. You know, so.
And you know, if I ever switch subs, I know I got guaranteed power.
Those are the new 10K. They just came out with those, right?
Yep, those just came out.
Yeah, okay. Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
I'm on TikTok. I go by the Bass Canyon on TikTok, and I also go by the Bass Canyon on YouTube.
Y'all be sure to give them a follow and subscribe. Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, man.
It was good
Thanks for getting a demo.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.